Hi traders, welcome to the video. Please pause the video and make sure you understand the disclaimer before proceeding. Traders, Anthony here. I'm just taking a look at the euro dollar. What I'll do is go out to the weekly and I'll show you what I've spotted back here. We've got this level on the weekly. These lows, these highs, I'll pull that through, coming back, these highs, this high here, significant distribution level on the weekly time frame. Have a look at this green candle here prior to a massive bearish move. So we're trading right into this. This is our time frame distribution key level. I'm thinking we may have an opportunity to jump in on a significant move here. So let's just have a look at that on the daily. What caught my eye is this relative equal lows here, liquidity under, stop losses. It rallies, all right, pulls in more retail longs, builds more liquidity. What do? It dumps and takes out these stops. It's a stop run. Prior to that, I'm always looking for this price action or this setup where we get like a double bottom and then it spikes below. So what we have up here is a similar thing. We've got this double top set up. I mean, look at this trend, for example. We'll just grab this. I'll show you this. All right, we'll pull that through. I like these three drive pattern ideas. You could probably pull an Elliott wave through here. I'm not an Elliott wave guy, so I don't want to go there. It's not my thing. But what we do have here is actually a slightly lower high. Relative equal highs, but a slightly lower high. Just mark that through here. I'll call it relative equal, slightly lower. So lower high and a bearish break of structure. This is the daily time frame. We've got this bearish break of structure here on the daily, lower low. So I like what I'm seeing here. This looks to me like big players are in their building positions so that they can capitalize on potentially something like that. That's big money, and you want to be in on on the action with moves, especially on the higher time frame like this daily time frame trend reversal. Jump on their coattails and go along for the ride. The plan of attack for me is going to be, we'll have a look at this on the 4H. If it shapes up, what I'm looking for is, and this can be an incredibly lucrative swing trade, given that we build on our position and we trail the stop loss. So what I want to see here is double top here taken out. We're probably going to see, I don't know, like I'm anticipating possibility that they trap traders in with this kind of a move first. And, you're going to get a lot of retail traders in here seeing this. Oh, look, it's double top. It's time to short it. Look, it's rolling over here. Jump in and away we go. Be careful, because that's the sort of thing that, you want to anticipate. And then we get this lower high here. And that's the opportunity that I'm looking for, something like that, however it shapes up. But watch out for the fakey, shaky. And, on the lower time frame, if we take out these liquidity above here, let me just mark that up. Guys, follow me on this. I'm going to be keeping an eye on this. All right, we've got these highs. If we spike up higher and then we get this lower high, lower low, lower high, shaping up under here, that's where I'll be entering short. And then as it trades down, you got to be careful with this because it'll be tricky. They tend to take out, then we go down. So, you might get this lower high, get these people jumping in here and then there's liquidity. They'll go for that. So watch out for any price gaps as this starts to rotate, if this shapes up, because, any imbalances are going to be resolved. It'll trade back up through them. But, that's the opportunity. And then, every retrace on the way down as a trend, normally get in on the retrace and build your position. Here, for example, so it took off. Let's say we got in back down in there. There's the opportunity to build on the position, add to the position every time it retraces. And that, on a daily time frame, if you jumped in down in here and you follow that through there, is a very big payday. That's what I'm anticipating, guys. I want to see something like this shape up, and then I'm going to jump in on the opportunity. Again, follow me. I'm going to be keeping an eye on this. If it shapes up and I get in there, join me on the journey. By the way, if you haven't already, click the links below, join our free Telegram. Have a look at the other link. We trade your Forex account. That's interesting. And let's see if this shapes up. It'll be a swing trade opportunity. Okay, with that, comment, hit the like. Hope you have a great day. Safe trading, and we'll see you in the next one.